Hello, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yes, please.
Sorry, I don't have the camera on my PC.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Yeah. Let me try to share my screen.
Okay, fine.
How like mm,
Click on the present now button and then you can easily click on the entire
oh
screen
yeah, yeah.
and then share
Yeah,
the
yeah.
entire screen and then share. Then it will be okay.
Okay. Yeah. Can you see my screen? Yeah,
Yes, I
it's
can
work.
see. Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Yeah. Last time I just asked you like about the how to calculate the land surface temperature, the problem, and like I according to we okay, and I according to like you provide this code in the practical the class, and now I have some problem like you can see there's a value on here, and especially on this point you can see on the 2019 the March of the 28th the LST max is 52, and the question is, I just check the some the paper like I already provide to you. They also use the same the formula as you provide in the class. Like they just do the TB and the PV things and the MST, and I according to this, and they have the data value, and I done the CXV, and this is the CXV value, and we find these days the yeah just like give you the example, and 28th March of the 2019, and the max the LST is 52, and I check the ground data on here, and this is you pick up the research area is the Dhaka city, and I just check the ground data, and all
Okay,
that there
so
is.
this one is that weather data. Okay. So you
Hmm.
check this is the weather data, but we monitored the surface data. Okay,
Surface data.
and this one is for only for the weather temperature.
It's for the weather temperature.
Yes, this is now worldweather.info. It provide you that weather data such as weather temperature or weather, but we calculated the surface temperature.
Oh, it's different,
Yes.
you mean? So how do I know the data I can apply in the research paper or not?
Okay, you can also apply it for that. You can just you have to mention that it is surface temperature. Okay, but we are also use some other algorithm to get the data for weather temperature. It is also possible to identify. Suppose from the above 2 meter height from the ground. So this type of things is also possible. But in this case, in our code, basically it provide the LST, meaning
Oh
land
yeah,
surface
yes,
temperature. Okay,
yes.
so that's why we find out the difference between the LST and temperature, weather temperature. It will be quite different things.
Yes, sir. And I also just tell you my research work. I nearly finished. Already have my the that. And first I want to use the Pearson the corrections is to to check the whether the NDVI and the LST do they have the correction and the NDVI that things. But I don't know whether that can use that. But according to you provide this the formula, is it possible direct to use publish in the paper and this value
Yes.
can direct to use?
Yeah, it also possible. It also possible. There is not no problem because already this type of formula is already used different types of paper and also they are published the paper already. So if
Yes.
you check, if you also citation this type of research paper also attached in here, then it will be more better. Okay, suppose where you get this formula. Okay, just simply mention
Yeah.
and cite it this type of research paper also. Then I hope it also okay. There is no problem for the land surface temperature. We just only got for land surface temperature from this code.
Yes. Because I in sometimes the max like nearly 70 degrees in I don't know whether can use it or not.
Okay, so basically this temperature, we find out that very high temperature, basically urban heat island in Dhaka city, we find out the lot of construction, lot of building. Okay, so that's why
Yeah,
all time sun directly reflected on their construction. So that's why
yeah.
this type of place cannot absorb the temperature. Suppose concrete or build up or settlement cannot be absorb this type of
Mhm.
temperature. So that's why it show this type of high temperature, land surface temperature we find out the very high, mainly city region, Dhaka city region. But when you work with for the rural area where there are the lot
Mhm.
of trees or water bodies, so this type of trees or water body can easily absorb the temperature and reduce the temperature. Okay.
Okay, okay, I understand. So I also find the different way to calculate LST. They just according to the build up the emissivity, the vegetation emissivity, and the whole body emissivity. So which one is better to publish the
Okay,
paper
so
or just the
if you want, you also try to connect the LST with LULC. Okay,
yeah.
suppose you try to find out for only for the urban what is the
Mm,
scenario of LST, for the vegetation what the scenario of LST, for the water body what the scenario of LST. Individual class you try to check for individual LST, then
yeah.
it will be more better. Okay, you try to make the relationship between the LST and land use land cover classes,
Okay.
then it will be also more better when you work, when you check the monitor the relationship between the
Yeah.
LST and land use land cover classes. Okay, then it will be
Okay.
more better. Okay, if you don't have this idea how we can easily work with that, we just make the relationship between the different land use land cover classes with their land surface temperature. Okay, so I
Yeah.
will provide you a code link, then you can also try to follow it, and then you also make the data. Okay, then
Okay,
it will be
thank you
more
so
better.
much.
Yeah.
And you can see on here, and they just give you the way on here, and you can see they have the just set the legend, and you can see this is
Yeah.
35 to 40.
Yeah.
It's just designed by ourselves, so we can just set a range in this
So yeah,
picture,
yeah.
right?
So when you just export, when we export this map as a TIFF format, further
Oh,
simply open the arc map and go to the symbology. From the symbology, just select the classified or classes, and from here you can easily get this type of range. Okay, five class. In this case, they are make the total five class: 50 to 20, 20 to 25, 20 to 30, 30 to 35, and 35 to 40. Okay, so
yeah.
this type of classes we can also create easily, and further we can create this type of map also from here after downloading the GeoTIFF file format from Google Earth Engine.
Oh, okay. I understand. So that's mean I can directly use this the calculator formula to
Yeah,
publish the paper,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
because every time I just check the value, I just think it's very different from the ground data. I don't know whether
yeah, yeah.
it's false or
Ground
true.
data mainly it provide the weather data, so that's why it more
Oh,
different between that.
so I also have the another question is I calculate this the land surface temperature. Should I just use the Moody's the dataset to validation my this result? So should
Okay,
I just
so
apply?
basically, if you want to use the Moody's data for the validation, then you don't get the more better accuracy, or you don't get the better result, because Moody's is not good resolution. Moody's is that
Oh yeah.
1000 meter pixel size,
Yeah.
1000 meter.
Yes.
So that's why we don't get the more better. So if you want to work for the research work, uh, you can simply, if possible, you simply visit your study area, and then you can simply just we use the different types of instrument for monitoring the temperature. So simply just we can simply toss on the surface and check the what is the temperature for a specific day time or a specific day. And then overall, if you want, you can also check the accuracy using the ground truth data. And also, but mainly ground truth data, ways we find out it's the weather data, but it's not
Oh,
the
yeah.
same, because ground truth data will be different. For the water body we find out the different, for the vegetation area we also find the different, for the build up or construction area we find out the different temperature, for the land surface temperature we find out the different value. So that's why if you want to check the validation, you try to go to the field, and then you can directly check. Okay, directly check. Suppose in the water body for your study area, simply use the thermometer and then check what the temperature. You find out that for that build up, you also check it randomly. Okay, so if you want to check the other paper, I think they also have the solution. If they are check the accuracy, what's the method they are use. Okay, they are use the how they make the validate the data. Okay, so you also try to read some paper also about that. And further, if you find any method or algorithm, simply share with me, then I also try to explain about that, no problem.
Yeah, I just plan to finish my the first research work. I just want to just have the research on what's the correction of the Dhaka city, like the full seasonal, the monitor the LST, and between the NDVI and the LST, the corrections is use the Pearson.
Yeah.
So that's my first
Okay, no
the
problem,
research
try.
work.
No problem, you try, and further face any problem, I'll also guide you, no problem. So you try, no problem.
Yeah, and do you mind I just finish all my research work and you check out the results and we can publish a paper in
Okay, no
next
problem.
year,
No problem, no
just in
problem.
the January, I guess.
Okay,
Because
no
I
problem.
already because I already finished like all the things, just need to write down some things and make some the graphs, tables, so I can publish.
Okay, no problem. And if possible, you can also keep me as a co-author. Then it also will be more better. Then I also
Yes,
easily
yes, yes,
wait. No
yes.
problem. Okay, no problem. We try. No problem. No problem.
Okay, thank you so much. Thanks so much, sir. Just like give me a chance to have like this tutorial with you because it's
Okay,
confused
okay,
me
okay.
like
Okay, I
seriously.
will share with you with this code. And after
Yeah.
some minute, I also take the one class regarding this topic. So after completing the class, I also send you the code link. Then you can easily get the idea. No problem.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so
Okay,
much,
thank you.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you.
Okay, bye.